In this video, we will study about energy, source of energy, and will take detailed information about solar energy. What is energy? Whenever a body is capable of doing work, the body is said to possess energy. Thus, energy is defined as the ability of a body to do work, and the amount of energy possessed by a body is equal to the amount of work it can do when its energy is released. Almost all the elements in the universe possess energy. Now let us understand what is source of energy. A source of energy is that which is capable of providing enough useful energy at a steady rate over a long period of time. Thus, there are two types of source of energy: conventional source of energy and non-conventional sources of energy. What is conventional source of energy? These are these sources of energy which have accumulated in nature over a long period of time and cannot be quickly replaced. These sources of energy will be exhausted one day. These are also called as non-renewable sources of energy. For example, we can take fossil fuels, natural gas, etc. Non-conventional sources of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy are those which are improved technological process and increased demand. The conventional sources of energy are getting scarce and thus are likely to be dependent. Thus, keeping a balance with limited availability of conventional sources, it is mandatory to look up to alternative or non-conventional sources of energy. These are also known as renewable sources of energy. For example, solar energy, energy from sea, geothermal energy, nuclear energy are all examples of non-conventional sources of energy, and thus they do not get exhausted very soon. So let us now understand what is solar energy. It is the energy obtained from the sun. It provides us heat and light. The nuclear fusion reaction taking place inside the sun keeps on liberating enormous amount of heat and light energy. A little less than half of solar energy which falls on the top of the atmosphere reaches the earth, and thus rest is reflected back to the space. What are the advantages of solar energy? It does not cause pollution. It is available in abundance in hot country like ours. It is available free of cost. It can be put to practical applications, etc. What are the limitations of solar energy? Energy reaching the surface is very much diffuse, so direct utility is limited. It is not available uniformly all the time and at all the places. It is not available at night. It is not available on cloudy day. Here are the example of few solar energy devices: solar cooker, solar cell, solar panel, etc. Solar cooker. What is solar cooker? It is a device used to cook food by utilizing the energy radiated by sun. It consists of insulated metal box or wooden box which is painted black from inside so that it can absorb maximum solar radiation. The box has a thick glass sheet as a cover over the box. The reflector is a plain mirror which is attracted to the box. Some solar cookers achieve a higher temperature by using a mirror to focus the rays of sun. Advantages and limitations of solar cooker. Advantages: it saves fuels, it does not cause air pollution, the nutrition of food do not get destroyed in it, it can cook 4 foods at a time. Limitations: it cannot be used to cook food on cloudy day and during night. It cannot be used to make chapatis. It cannot be used for frying. Solar cell. What is solar cell? It is a device to convert solar energy into electrical energy. These cells are made from semiconductors like silicon, gallium, germanium, etc. Solar cells are also known as photovoltaic cells. Uses of solar cell. It is used for street lighting, for traffic signal, for operating water pumps, etc. It provides electricity to lighthouse situated in sea. It provides radio and TV transmission to remote areas. It is used to operate electronic watches and calculators. It provides electricity in artificial satellites and space. Calculators and many toys are fitted with solar cells. What is solar panel? When solar cells are arranged side by side, connecting each other in such a way that the total potential difference and the total capacity to provide electricity current is much increased, then this arrangement is called solar panel. Solar panel provides much higher power for many practical uses, but the silver required for connecting the solar cells into a panel make this process very expensive, and thus it is not much used in today's time. So we have studied in detail about solar energy. Thank you.